Bill, I'm about to make an understatement. Training for a marathon is incredibly hard. Now imagine doing so for a couple of years, getting one step away from qualifying for the U.S. Olympic team, only to hear talk that those games could be postponed or maybe delayed, maybe even canceled. That is the reality for one Midlothian marathoner.
Since fourth grade, Kira D'Amato has dreamed of being an Olympic athlete.
It's like I'm playing with like house money a little bit, that it's like, well, let's go all in.
After years of training, the mother of two gets a real shot at that dream this weekend when she'll compete in the Olympic Marathon trials in Atlanta.
The money's in the bank, and I've been like depositing the checks, and Saturday I'm ready to make a withdrawal, I guess, and just see what I can do.
D'Amato's confident in the work she's put in, but should she make the U.S. Olympic team, uncertainty surrounds the Tokyo Games because of the coronavirus outbreak in Asia.
As like a mother and a runner and a traveler, I try not to think about it too much just because I don't want to get overly paranoid, but at the same time, like I'm flying tomorrow and I have a face mask that I'll be wearing on the plane.
Olympic preparations continue in Japan, but at least one Olympic official hinted at a possible cancellation should COVID-19 continue to spread.
If it happens, yeah, I'll probably cry about it and I'll be pissed and I'll like kick a bucket or whatever.
On top of the international health threat, quarantines in Asia and elsewhere have hit global supply chains, causing the U.S. stock market to plummet each of the last 5 days.
You can control the things that you're capable of, and anything outside of that realm you can't stress about.
D'Amato hopes those capabilities land her a spot on the Olympic team. Any potential future disappointment is trumped, she says, by the greater good.
Like, I understand, it's totally out of my control, and if something like that were to happen, like I know it's because they're putting the safety of all the athletes, and in this case the world, before sports, which I think they have the priorities in order.
Now, since those cancellation comments, Olympic officials have walked that back, saying that World Health officials told them there's really no reason to postpone or cancel the games at this point. Now, as for COVID-19 cases here in Virginia, we know that 8 people have been tested for it. 6 have been negative, 2 are still pending, but neither of those cases are in Central Virginia. Working for you in downtown Richmond tonight, Jake Burns, CBS 6 News.